Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to blur videos on Capcut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your Capcut app and now create a new project or open your existing project which you want to add blur to. Now, to add blur to this video, simply click on Effects and Video Effects. Now search for blur and choose the blur effect. And click here to save changes. Now you can also choose the duration for the blur. To change the duration of the blur, simply click on the handle of the blur effect option and change its duration according to your preference. And just like that, we have added blur effect in our video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.